Hi, it's Christine doing a review for these dog goggles. This box is really cute. It's supposed to protect, it's comfortable, stylish, and for UV protection. Got these because our dog loves to run at full speed and we were worried about his eyes being injured as he runs through the bushes. Okay, let's open this up. The box is easy to open. I like that these goggles are easy to keep clean. They have holes at the bottom of each lenses so the goggles won't be so foggy. I guess I would have preferred if these goggles were made to sit properly on the dog's face, but that's not a deal breaker for me. It's designed with two straps, one to go on his head behind his ears and the other one to go under his chin. Here I'll demonstrate how to wear this goggle on your dog. It's best to introduce it slowly with a lot of treats. I would also recommend the clear one because it might freak out the dog if the goggles are too dark and he can't see through them. Overall, I would recommend these goggles to keep my dog's eyes protected.